Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host Eric Smith, and I just learned a new trick I'd like to share with you today. The product we're going to work with today are the push nuts. These are found on the bed leg channels, the slide style and the pivot style, and the original Coleman Fleetwood bag awnings for the vertical awning poles. They have small pins inside the caps that when they're hammered onto a pin, they grab hold of the pin and they don't want to let go. If you see my video about the bed legs, you can see how stubborn they can be to remove sometimes. I'm going to show you a simpler way to do them. For the first example, I'm going to use a small bench vise, and we'll go ahead and remove this cap. First, I'm going to look at the cap and try to orientate where the pins are inside, and I'm going to attack the other side. Put it into the bench vise and squeeze it together. If you don't have a bench vise, channel locks can work too. Sometimes a push nut might be too close to the base bracket to get a pry tool underneath of it, or to get pliers on it to pry it off. In this instance, we can cut the push nut off as well with a right angle grinder. Be prepared to replace the pin if you have to do this method. Have you got a hack or a tip that you've learned? Please share it with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Smash that notification bell to be alerted when new content is available. And I'll see you at the campground.